talk about the digital transactions because they have actually seen a record surge on the back of GST rollout. Credit card spend saw a 10x jump on September 22nd. Let me take it across to my colleague Ankur, who's standing by with more details and more interesting numbers as well. Ankur.
Yes, definitely interesting data as far as digital transactions are concerned. If you compare with the September 21, that was Sunday, and between Monday and Tuesday, there has been around 10x jump if you talk about credit cards and other spends too. Let me take out one by one, and of course, there are additions to that data as well, which will come through the week. But for now, if you talk about RTGS, that has actually surged to 8.19 lakh crore, and this is compared to 17,166 crore on September 21. So you can see the amount of transaction, the large transactions RTGS has happened here, and it is not only in RTGS. Even if you talk about the NEFT data, that is also seeing a clear surge. If you talk about 21st of September, 21,224 crore, and what happened on September 22nd, 1,58,426 crore, and not only on September 22nd, even on September 23rd, that sustained to 1,44,716 crore. So clear-cut data is indicating yes, there is a spend which has happened, but one common analysis of digital transaction can be done only through UPI. So let's get you the UPI data as well. And as far as UPI transaction are concerned, in general also people use UPI for payments, even for daily necessities as well. But what happened on September 22nd is interesting to know, because on 21st of September, Sunday, the data said that 60,320 crore worth value of transactions happened on UPI, and it surged to 82,477 crore on the very next day, and which was again sustained, whereby 81,647 crore was the value of the transaction that happened on UPI on 23rd of September as well. Similarly, IMPS also followed that trend, and 1,05,520 crore was on September 21, and it actually doubled to next day. And overall, the interesting data is also coming from credit cards. If you see the credit card spends, that has also surged both at POS as well as on e-commerce site. There has been several advertisements by Amazon, by different e-commerce companies, and we have seen that Amazon Flipkart pull is clearly visible as far as the data which has come in from Reserve Bank of India. So first I will tell you the e-commerce one. The 21st September spend was just 1,514 crore. And how much is surged to? It surged to 1,411 crore the very next day. That means around 10 times surge happened on credit card. So all in all, digital transactions are at least hinting that spending has happened. Yes, the surge is there most in credit cards, but also in debit cards, also in NEFT as well as RTGS transactions. All in all, we need to wait and see whether or not that this will sustain throughout the week. But for now, at least the 2 days data which has come in from Reserve Bank of India does indicate that there is up to 10 times surge in digital footprints.